U.S. military bases in Germany. What is the attitude of the Germans themselves towards the American military presence? Germany occupies a special place in the system of the American military presence abroad. Historically, this is explained simply. After the surrender of the Third Reich in 1945, Allied troops remained on German soil, and they have not left it since. The Cold War turned West Germany into the front line of the two-state confrontation, and it was here that the densest network of American military installations outside the continental United States was built. After the unification of the country and the dissolution of the Warsaw Pact, the presence noticeably decreased, but did not fundamentally change. Today, more than 40 American military installations operate on German territory, from large multifunctional garrisons to small technical stations and storage complexes. 5 of the 7 U.S. Army garrisons in Europe are located here. Ramstein Air Base in Rhineland-Palatinate is actually the key center of American military logistics on the continent. Cargo, personnel, and management flows pass through it. The headquarters of the U.S. Army forces in Europe and Africa is located in Wiesbaden. About 38,000 military personnel serve at these facilities, and if you add family members, civilian employees, and contractors, the figure increases many times. With the aggravation of the situation on the eastern borders of NATO, the strategic role of German bases has increased again. The country has become the main logistics hub for the transfer of equipment and troops to Poland and the Baltic states. The American side is investing in infrastructure modernization, which clearly indicates long-term plans. The attitude of the Germans themselves towards the American military presence remains deeply controversial. Opinion polls show a steady split. A significant part of society, especially residents of the regions where the bases are located, perceives the American presence pragmatically. These are jobs, local businesses, tax revenues, and a sense of security. During the Cold War, support was much more unanimous, and the older generation retains the inertia of this perception. However, young people and radical left movements are traditionally critical. Their arguments concern state sovereignty, environmental damage from military activities, and the use of German territory in operations that Berlin itself does not officially support. Ramstein, the base through which American drone operations in the Middle East are coordinated, is particularly controversial. German courts have repeatedly considered lawsuits questioning the legality of such use of national territory. In general, German society agrees to tolerate the American presence as a given, but it is far from universally welcomed. What do you think about this?